Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford Stroker 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1966 Cobra kit car. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Then we got a 408 Ford engine. We have the power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Engine block is painted to black with the brass freeze plugs. We have the rear sump oil pan on there for the Cobra kit car. High flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. The real nice red ignition wires with all the wire looms, wire markers all set in place. Oil stick and tube on there. MSD ignition coil, distributors set in place. Aluminum intake manifold. It's real nice Ford Racing polished valve covers with a matching 13-inch air cleaner on there. With the Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. The customer's going to be running a standard flywheel, his own. He'll be putting that on there. We did put the pilot bearing in there. We will supply the starter index plate for the customer. We will be testing with the flex plate on there. The manifold vacuum fitting is installed on the back of the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups. We have the PCV valve, heavy duty Russell PCV hose on there. Electric choke wire, fuel pressure gauge on there on the carburetor line. We have a 140 amp one wire hookup alternator right there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Belt tension's all set. High flow aluminum water pump, standard rotation. High flow thermostat in there. Coolant bypass hose. Every engine is live run at Engine Factory for 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, it's going to be 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969 here. Family operated business here, so there you have it. Our 408 Ford 475 horsepower engine ready to go for our customer's 1966 Cobra kit car. Thanks for watching.